Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to be making fatayir, zaatar. It's very famous in Lebanon. It's especially for the breakfast. It's so easy. What we need for the zaatar mixture: 1 cup of zaatar. We need half an onion, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate. It's optional, but I like it and it's so good with it. And I'm gonna add the olive oil. 1/3 cup, maybe I will use a little bit more, it depends, because we need the mixture to be like loose. It will be much easier when you put it on, spread it on the dough. It will be easier for you. This is zaatar, which is thyme mixed with roasted sesame seed and sumac. I'm gonna shredded some onion to it, and I'm gonna add some pomegranate, fresh pomegranate. It's optional. The onion and the pomegranate, it's optional, but myself, I like it so much with it. And I'm gonna add some olive oil. If you don't know how to make the dough, go back and watch the dough video and then come back to this. So first we are going to add the pomegranate. Next I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of shredded onion. Then I'm gonna add the olive oil. Need one more. This is the thickness that you want. You can add a little bit more oil, but for the sage, that's how I like it. Now we are going to roll the bread, make them small like pies, just like that. If you don't have the grill, you can bake it on the oven. The always bread, it needs high heat, so 450. I just want to test it to see if it's hot. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour here. If it turned brown, that means it's hot. It's not hot, so it needs a little bit more. I will make another bread as much as I can. I will start with the dough until this ready. So the dough for the zaatar, I like to make it thin, and it will be like thin and crispy and yummy. You can have it with some tea, and you can put vegetables in it: tomato, mint, cucumber, or some Lebanese. Lebanese is a strain yogurt. It's so good with it. My mom, she used to make designs for the fatayir. She used to do it like this. Just pinch the edges. Like that. Make sure don't put too much flour, because the dough won't stick to the grill if there is too much flour. You just want to wait until it's crispy and nice and cooked. Perfect. Just fold it like that. Take a small piece and try it. So good. So good. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.